Y'all, these grays have been popping up left and right, but they gotta go. Hey y'all, Msnaturally here. Today I'm showing you all how you can ditch the salon and dye your hair at home using the new L'Oreal Colorsonic device, the first device of its kind. Thanks to L'Oreal for sponsoring this video. Let's get into it, y'all. So today I'm using the natural black shade, which is one of over 20 colors they offer. It's ammonia free and gives 100% gray coverage, which I need, y'all, because these roots come in strong. All you have to do is pop in the cartridge, then tilt the device up to prime it. Super quick and easy. Now here's where the magic happens, y'all. You just hold the button and brush it through your hair. That's it. This device is designed for all hair types and textures. It applies in under 5 minutes and it legit feels like I'm brushing my hair. Before this, coloring my hair at home was honestly a whole production. It was messy, time consuming, and half the time I missed spots, especially in the back, but this device is a game changer. The bristles actually move and part your hair while you go, so even the back is covered evenly. Just release the button between strokes and keep it moving.
You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.
After the application, I let it process for 30 minutes, then rinsed and used the conditioner that comes in the kit.
I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah.
Okay, but look at this color, y'all. Every single gray is gone. My hair is giving shiny, rich, and salon level without the salon price or the mess. My roots are fully covered and the finish is so even. I honestly didn't know at home color could look this good or be this easy. I am so impressed. Cleaning was also super easy. You just tilt the device downward over the sink and rinse it out and you're done. And the best part, the cartridge is reusable. Depending on how much you use, you can get up to 3 uses out of 1 cartridge, and that's so clutch. So if you're looking for an easier, mess-free way to color your hair at home, the Colorsonic is it. You can grab it now at Target.com. Thanks to L'Oreal once again for sponsoring this video, and check the description box for all the links and specifications, and let me know in the comments, will you be trying this? Now let's get into a quick and easy natural braided hairstyle that you can do in under 10 minutes. Alright, so let's get into the styling. So I wanted to do some French braids, but with tussle curls in the front. So I'm just taking out hair on both sides, and I'm ensuring that it's going to be placed behind the start of the braid. So now we're just going to gather the leave out and secure it out of the way and begin braiding both sides. And also ensuring that on the side, I'm leaving some hair out as well. And this is just before the ear. I feel like this look creates a really nice feminine, girly, fun and flirty look. Once I finish the braids, you'll see how the look comes together, and I'm gonna curl it using my flat iron, and this is gonna elevate the look a bit. You can also achieve this look with your hair in its natural state, but I enjoy doing this hairstyle with my hair blown out. I feel like it looks more sleek that way, and it's also easier for me to do the French braids when my hair is blown out. I really struggle doing my hair in braids in its natural state, and I'm sure many of you all can relate, but I'm gonna allow you all to watch this process, and then I'll come back on once we're finished.
Yeah, and you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Eh, I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow. You know, like the game them play. Give it to you straight all day. Oh wow. Body do the talking, babe. Baby, if you make man praise. Oh wow. Yeah. Today, oh wana odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick be my hote pe oh. Yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time days to my nights. Me no look no other way. Do anything for my babe. Oh wow, too much on that body, babe. You go take my breath away. Oh wow, big mood, in love with you forever. Yeah. No day awana odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude kpe ma hotepe o. Yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. You are the time of my life.
Alright y'all, this is the finished look. How stunning is this hairstyle for summer? It's super quick and easy to do, and having rich hair color with no grays really goes a long way thanks to the L'Oreal Colorsonic device, my new secret weapon. Be sure to check the description for the link to check it out. Also be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
You are
Love
the
y'all.
time of my life.